Good day, everyone. This is me again, Unichan from ECE31, and today I was given a problem for my midterm exam, and the problem is design a combinational logic system for a vending machine that dispenses either coffee or tea when coins are inserted. Let A, B, and C represent coffee, tea, and coin inputs, respectively. The condition for output is such that either coffee or tea will be dispensed when someone inserts the coin and presses the appropriate button. If, on the other hand, you press both the coffee and tea buttons after inserting the coin, the machine should dispense coffee only. For this, the solution that I came up with is to use three AND gates and one NAND gate. The AND gate is 7408 while the NAND gate is 7400. And as usual, the materials that I will be needing are breadboard, connecting wires, power supply, and of course, my ICs. So without further ado, let's begin. For the problem, I came up with a solution to use three AND gates and one NAND gate. For the AND gates, I use 7408 IC, and for the NAND gate, I use 7400 IC. Now, according to the problem, button A represents coffee, button B represents tea, and the C represents the coins, which A is the red wire, B is the yellow wire, and C is the green wire. While these blue wires represents the output from the logic gates, this LED here will represent the output for the coffee, and this LED here represents the output for the tea. I came up with a truth table right over here. So it says that if I did not push any buttons and I did not put any coins, of course I wouldn't get any output. Now if I didn't push any button but I've inserted a coin, there will be no output as well. Now if I pushed button B, which is the button for the tea, but I didn't put any coins, of course there's no output. But if I put coin together with the button B, I would receive a T. Now if I've pushed only the button for the coffee, but I didn't put any coin, of course I wouldn't get any output. And if I put coins and I push the button for the coffee, I would get coffee. And if I pushed the tea and the coffee but did not put any coins, of course there would be no output. But if I pushed button A and button B and I've inserted coins, I would have coffee. So there we go. To sum it all up, we have designed a solution for the corresponding problem. And for conclusion, we have observed that when a button was pushed but there was no coins inserted, there will be no output. Now if you push the button along with inserting a coin, you will have the appropriate output corresponding to the button that you pushed. Now if you pressed the two buttons and along with it you inserted a coin, the corresponding output for that will be coffee. So what we have learned today is one of the practical uses of using IC. They are most commonly used for vending machines. And now to end it all here, this is me again, Unichan from ECH31, and I will see you again on my next experiment. Bye!